turn around and take a look at the building that you've just left, you'll see that it's shaped like a globe. This is why it's called the CERN globe. And in fact, this is based on an actual building, which is actually in Geneva. So that's pretty cool. Now, the Atlas detector, or the Atlas experiment, is essentially like a giant digital camera. And what it does is it takes pictures of what happens when you collide two protons, two subatomic particles together at almost the speed of light. Here we have a little bit of instruction to talk about.
We're now working on a braided detector
This is what the tunnels of the Large Hadron Collider look like. They're colored blue, and they essentially spit protons out